Lamborghini Urus P745 Mansory.
Mansory is a German-based luxury car modification company founded by Courage Mansory in 1989. Massive 24-inch alloy wheels with upgraded brakes, Mansory exposed carbon fiber lift kit and diffuser. This full exposed carbon fiber wing isn't just for looks. It adds real high speed stability and increases downforce.
Now step inside, and this is where everything gets crazy. We got bespoke leather seats and Alcantara everywhere. Diamond stitching, contrast piping, custom embodier. Every detail is personalized. Mansory doesn't just retrim the seats. They completely redesign the atmosphere of the cabin itself. But look up, this headliner is Rolls-Royce level.
This isn't just an upgraded cabin. It's a handcrafted environment. It's not just fast luxury. It's an experience that plays with all of your senses.
It's called the P745 because this car was fine-tuned by Mansory to have 745 horsepower.
Just take a look at this triple central exhaust layout. It does scream performance.
This is the certificate of authenticity for this Mansory particularly, and it comes with the signature of Mr. Mansory himself.
I could spend the entire day talking about this car, but it's an experience that you have to feel for yourself, and that's why I invite all of you to come to Park Lane Motors and check it out. Till next time.